So to run your JavaScript code in the Visual Studio Code itself, we have an extension that is called Code Runner. We have to install it. After this, we'll be able to run our code in the Visual Studio Code itself. So first you need to open your Visual Studio Code. And click on settings and go to the extensions. Here type Code Runner. Okay, you have to click on this extension Code Runner. Okay, you can see you can run lot of languages in this Code Runner: C, C++, Java, JS, PHP, Python, Perl, Ruby, Go, Lua, Groovy, PowerShell, CMD, Bash, and a lot of other languages are here that you can run in this Code Runner. So click on this Code Runner, and because I have already installed it, you have to click on install, and the installation will be completed in 5 to 10 seconds because its size is very minimal. So once it is installed, you can check your Code Runner by creating a new file. If you are going to run JavaScript code, then you have to select your file type from the this section and write here JavaScript. And now the files type has been changed to the JavaScript. Once it is selected, you can write your code. Okay, and go to the this section, and here in the output section you will see the output given by this code. Okay, once your code has been written, you can click on this play button. Once you click on this play button, you will see your output here. Okay,